Sunday reset day. It's all about me starting a new routine, getting back into old routines and things like that, because I kind of let myself fall off this year. Not physically, but mentally wise. I stopped meditating, I stopped doing yoga. I basically stopped taking care of myself and was focused on other stuff. So now that your girl is back in that mindset, I have been reading more. I got back to reading. I've gone back to doing yoga. I've gone back to working out. I've gone back to walking and just pretty much doing things that put me at peace, because
There's always a choice. Can you help me?
couple minutes and then I'm gonna go to the gym. Thankfully, I got a sew-in with full leave out, so I'm good in that department. I just gotta make myself a water. I got off work at 5:30. It is 7:30. It did took me 2 hours to get ready for the gym because I decided to clean up. Like, I swept my hallway area, and okay, so I swept this area right there. I swept my hallway area as soon as I got in the house, because when you don't, a bunch of dust freaking build up. And I've been seeing like this little bug in my hallway area, a silverfish, and it's like I don't like it, but I haven't seen him in a couple days because I told maintenance. But when I looked up about him, it was saying how what was I saying? Oh, it was saying how what they attract is like moisture and like warmth and stuff like that, heat, and it's like hot as hell in my apartment right now. So yeah, I had to call maintenance, and I haven't seen them in a couple days, so that's good. Yeah. Final product of the rose box I did. It's the Drunken Love on my website. He chose Don Julio for his girl. Then she has some flower food, and because of season I changed out her fillers and everything. And then the other bouquet he got is just 24 roses, and I did 3 pink ones and an orange one, and then that's what I had left over. Oh crap, I could have used this red one. I didn't realize those were red, but I am gonna do something else with those. And then yeah, she also has flower food, so I'm about to take this downstairs and it is all done.